Imagine a computer so small it fits easily in the palm of your hand, yet packs enough computational power to run local artificial intelligence models, edit multi-stream 8K video, and compile massive codebases without making a single sound. This is the Mac Mini with the M5 chip. In this video, we are going to strip away the corporate marketing jargon, the tech influencer hype, and the Apple obsession to look at a very specific, almost unsettling reality. Apple didn't just update an entry-level desktop computer. They engineered a hyper-compact power plant that completely rewrites the economics of professional performance. But here is the real catch that most consumers will completely overlook. The tech world is trapped in a dangerous cycle of overspecifying. People are spending thousands of dollars on massive desktop towers or bulky, high-end laptops, thinking that physical size and high price tags automatically translate to productivity. They are wrong. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly why this tiny silver box is a masterpiece of modern silicon engineering, but also why it represents a direct threat to the traditional desktop PC market. Let's start with the architectural foundation of this device. The transition to the M5 platform represents a profound shift in how Apple handles system data. Built on a highly advanced, refined 3nm process node, the M5 chip isn't just about packing more transistors into a tight space. It is about a fundamental redesign of the core layouts to maximize architectural efficiency. When you boot up the machine, the system operates with near-zero internal latency. The architecture relies on an incredibly fast unified memory system that acts as a shared pool between the central processor and the graphics engine. Think about the classic bottleneck of traditional computing. Every time your computer wants to render a 3D asset or process a complex visual effect, data has to travel across a physical motherboard from the system RAM to a separate graphics card memory pool. That transit takes time. It generates heat. It creates microstutters. The Mac Mini M5 destroys that entire paradigm. Because the memory is unified directly onto the silicon substrate, the graphics processor accesses the exact same data pool instantly. We are talking about memory bandwidth speeds that allow the system to manipulate large data packages effortlessly, treating heavy files as if they were simple lines of text. But let's talk about the psychological trick Apple plays with benchmarks. Every single year, tech channels flood the internet with graphs showing multi-core scores and synthetic workloads. They celebrate a percentage bump as if it changes your daily life. The M5 forces us to look past the numbers and examine real-world utility. At what point does a desktop machine become faster than human workflow can even demand? If your code compiles in 5 seconds instead of 7, does it shift your universe? No. But what if that performance happens continuously, hour after hour, inside an enclosure that occupies less desk space than a standard paperback book, while pulling less power than a traditional household light bulb? That is the true engineering victory here. It isn't just about peak speed. It is about sustained, silent efficiency. The thermals are where this design truly challenges the laws of thermodynamics. If you have ever built or used a high-end Windows desktop or a traditional workstation, you know the reality of the cooling tax. You need massive heat sinks, complex liquid cooling